Hello, everyone. How are you today? How is your English learning going? Remember, the more you study, the more you improve. Step by step, your English will get better and better. I'm Anna.
Hello, Anna. And hello, everyone. It's great to see you all again. How are you, Anna?
I'm doing great, Mark. But today I feel a little emotional
Oh? Why is that?
because today's topic is very close to my heart. Speak English without fear.
Ah, yes. Fear is something every English learner feels.
But don't worry. Today will help you speak with courage, confidence, and joy.
Don't stop. Don't translate. Just copy the rhythm.
Part 1. The feeling of fear. Repeat after me. Slow and clear. Sometimes I feel nervous when I speak English. I worry about making mistakes. I think my pronunciation is not good. I feel shy when others listen to me. I forget words when I'm scared. I compare myself to others. I want to speak perfectly. I feel embarrassed when people laugh. I lose confidence when I can't find the right word. But I still want to speak.
That's exactly how most learners feel.
Yes, fear is normal. It means you care.
Part 2. Understanding mistakes. Let's talk about mistakes. Repeat after me. Making mistakes is part of learning. Every mistake teaches me something new. Even native speakers make mistakes. Mistakes show that I'm trying. I learn by speaking, not by staying silent. I can fix my errors later. I will not stop because of fear. I will enjoy the process. I will keep improving every day. I am learning with courage.
Beautiful. You see, mistakes are just lessons in disguise.
Yes, every mistake is a step forward, not backward.
Part 3. Speaking slowly and clearly. Now, let's talk about how to speak calmly. Repeat after me. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I take a deep breath before I talk. I think of one simple idea. I say it with confidence. I don't need to rush. I focus on communication, not perfection. I smile when I speak. I look at the person kindly. I enjoy the moment.
Perfect. Slow and clear speaking is powerful.
Yes, confidence grows when you control your pace. Part 4. Tips to overcome fear.
Let's practice some daily tips. Repeat after me. I practice speaking every day. I talk to myself in English. I repeat what I hear in videos. I read out loud. I record my voice. I listen to my progress. I speak with friends who support me. I join English groups online. I ask for help when I need it. I remind myself I am improving.
Wonderful! These habits build real confidence.
Yes, practice turns fear into power.
Part 5. When people laugh. Now, let's talk about a difficult moment. What if people laugh when you speak? Repeat after me. If people laugh, I stay calm. I smile and keep talking. I remember it's okay to be learning. I don't take it personally. I speak because I want to grow. Their opinion doesn't stop me. My goal is progress, not perfection. I speak English bravely. I believe in myself. I keep moving forward.
That's true courage, speaking even when you're afraid.
Yes, real confidence means not giving up. Part 6. Real conversation practice.
Let's do a short, simple conversation. Repeat after us slowly.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going hiking with my friends.
That sounds fun. Do you like hiking?
Yes, I love it. It helps me relax and stay healthy.
That's great. Have a wonderful trip.
Thank you. You too. Enjoy your weekend.
See, a short, simple conversation can sound natural and friendly.
Yes, don't overthink it. Just enjoy talking.
Part 7. Changing your way of thinking. Now, let's change our mindset. Repeat after me. I am not bad at English. I am learning English.
I am not slow. I am careful and thoughtful.
I am not afraid. I am brave and improving.
I am not behind others. I am on my own journey.
I am not shy. I am strong and confident.
Beautiful affirmations, Anna.
Yes, words shape your confidence and your future. Part 8. Mini Story. Maria's first English call. Let's listen to a short story. Repeat after us slowly. Maria works in an office.
One day, her boss says, "Please call the client in English."
Maria feels scared. Her hands shake.
She takes a deep breath and says, "Okay, I can do it."
She speaks slowly and clearly.
The client understands her perfectly.
When she hangs up, she smiles.
She says to herself, "I did it."
From that day, Maria never let fear stop her again. I love that story. Small courage leads to big confidence.
Yes, one brave moment can change everything.
Part 9. Powerful speaking affirmations. Let's finish with powerful sentences. Repeat after us slowly and with emotion.
I can speak English.
I can communicate with people.
I can make mistakes and learn.
I am brave when I speak.
I am calm and confident.
I am improving every day.
I enjoy speaking English.
I express my ideas clearly.
I am proud of my progress.
I believe in myself.
That's the voice of true confidence.
Yes, no fear, just love for learning.
Remember, everyone feels nervous when speaking a new language.
The secret is simple. Keep speaking, even when it's scary.
Every word you say makes you stronger.
You are doing amazing. Never stop believing in yourself.
Bye-bye, everyone. Speak with courage, smile with confidence, and keep practicing every day.